Hello! Hello, beautiful Atomians here at PUC. So hello to Baguio Cap Center and of course to Cebu Dream Center. Hello everyone, to all the viewers. So hello po sa inyong lahat. Magandang buhay. Okay, so I'm given a task to share with you the Atomy marketing plan. But before that, may I ask everyone to please stand up para hindi po kayo matulog mamaya. Okay, so I know that everyone, all of you know already the bear. Who didn't know about bear? The big bear and the little bear. Okay, pero sige, gawin na lang nating Papa Bear at si Baby Bear. Wala si Mama Bear dito. Okay. If you will say, if you will saw or see Papa Bear, so ano yung ginagawa usually ng Papa Bear? The sound. It should be a big ah. Okay, everyone? Did you like this? Your hand? And then the little one, it should be ah. Okay. You bend a little bit. Okay, gawin po natin. Papa Bear? Baby Bear? Baby Bear? Papa Bear? Papa Bear? Baby Bear? Papa Bear? Okay, thank you so much. You may now be seated. Okay, meron ba kayong naamoy? If meron, huwag kayong mahiya na sabihin yung propolis toothpaste natin or yung probiotics natin. Okay, so here is the Atomy Philippines marketing plan. Okay, so it says in the slide, it is well-balanced and righteous. So why it is well-balanced and righteous? Gusto ba ninyo na yung nasa taas ninyo, kahit hindi nag-work, ay siya yung may income na malaki? Do you want like that? No, of course. So this compensation plan of Atomy is very righteous. Okay, and then the management goal of this Atomy, number 1, is the success of all members. Okay. So that, pero ang sabi ni chairman, sabi niya, not everyone will be successful here in Atomy. So wag ninyong na kayo yung hindi magsasucceed. Dapat kayo mismo maging successful here in Atomy. So, meron bang first time yung hindi nag-register dito? Meron po ba? Na nag-attend na hindi nag-register? Meron po. And maybe some viewers or in Baguio Cap and Cebu. So of course, you need a person of reference, yung sponsor, to be connected here in Atomy. Okay? Hindi po basta-basta na ikaw lang ang magre-register sa website ni Atomy. So this is the requirements. So if you don't have that PIN, of course, meron namang yung NSO at saka PSA birth certificate. Sa middle bottom, meron naman yung 13 digits. But if you have that TIN card, of course, we need your TIN. And if you don't have that TIN card, but you are working in government employee or sa private sector, meron kayong TIN na nandoon sa inyong valid ID. Yan yung requirements ni Atomy. So in Atomy, there is a business partner who is not TIN verified or brand. So kapag brand yung ginamit, of course, unverified yun. And what is the difference of TIN verified and unverified? You can ask your sponsor to assist you how you will do that. Because even you submitted your bank account at the headquarters, and then you have a lot of PBS, a lot of commissions, but you are not unverified, hindi po ninyo makukuha yung commission ninyo. So si Atomy ay talagang legal siya. So we are giving our tax. Okay. So Atomy is 0 membership fee. So walang quota. So it's very nice company na walang quota siya. So pero meron siyang reminders dyan but you must only buy one product sa personal PB mo para ma-maintain mo yung membership mo. Yan lang yung isang requirements ni Atomy so that you will be able to be a member in 1 year. Okay. So, ang reminder dyan, even you have a millions of PB in your personal PB, pero nakalimutan mo dahil nga you are generous. Kapag po-purchase ka online, binibigay mo sa mga active na consumer or your partners. Nakalimutan mo, nilagyan yung personal PB mo. So, it will be gone. All your PBs and your membership if you will forget to buy in your personal PB. Ayan. So, yan yung reminder ni Atomy. Kasi even if you are in higher mastership, kung nakalimutan mo, mataterminate ka din within a year. So, ano yung importance ng PB? Because some others, they said, I will just buy the products. I don't need the PB. But the PB, this one is a basis to determine the commission payment condition of our members. Sabihin natin yung importance ng point value. So, all Atomy products has PB. Okay. Pero kapag one piece of toothbrush, wala pong PB. One small box of Himuhim, wala pong PB. But, and yung ating iisa sa skincare, meron siyang PB. So, let's help our members to open their account para makita nila kung ano yung mga may PB. Okay? Para hindi sila bibili sa'yo ng isang toothbrush tapos sasabihin, bakit wala pa akong points? Bakit zero pa? Okay. So, ito yung importante or kahalagaan ng pagkakaroon ng personal PB at group PB. So, may dalawang PBs dito. So, personal PB wherein the products you bought in your personal account. So, lahat ng mga gagamitin mo that you buy on the online, of course, makukuha mo yung mga personal points as your PPB. Okay. How about group PBs? So, group PBs, the PBs under you, under your groups, both left and right. Yun yung mga group PBs ninyo. Okay, so huwag po kayong matulog because this is your reward actually. Why? We are sharing to you the compensation plan. Okay, so there are classification of membership. This is according to personal PB and group PB. Ayan. So, there are 5 different types of dealership. This is according to the total purchases, volume, and commission level received from the company. So first is sales rep. If you have that 10 personal PB in your account and then 299, 1 point lang na needed mo para mag-agent, that is already sales rep. And then agent is you have that 300,000 in your personal PB. And then, of course, your accumulation is more than 600,000 in the previous, at least 600,000 in your group PBS. Okay. So, nakikita ninyo dyan, meron yung grade 8, 7, until 1. And then there are scores. So, dyan nila i-base ang ating commission. And if you are a special agent, if you have that personal PB of 700,000, and then 700,000 your group and 700 both leg. Okay. How about dealer? If you have the personal PB of 1.5 personal PB and 3 million PB accumulated of the previous month. And exclusive distributor, ito naman yung income ceiling na points sa personal PB natin na 2.4 million. Okay. So as you can see there, kapag yung grade 8, sales rep ka, and then you accumulated 300 sa left and right mo, you have that score 5 points. And later on, we will discuss that one. Okay, we will see. I hope na hindi kayo naguguluhan. Okay, there are ways to earn in Atomy. So first is Education Center Commission, but you will not be rich here in Education Center Commission. But in General Commission and Mastership Bonus, you will. Okay, so how? You will, yung 6% po kasi ng center's total PB is paid to the applicable center to help cover operational expenses. So yung mga naka-affiliate, for example, at La Trinidad Cup Center, lahat naman naka-affiliate doon, 6% doon po ay makukuha yung sales volume. Mapupunta sa center's fee, ganon. Okay. So, ayan. So 6% yan po yung mga center's total PBs paid to the center to help and operational expenses. Ayan. So, I am really grateful sa mga head center, because I know their sacrifices. Kasi sometimes, hindi talaga nakukuha nila yung rent ng kanilang center. So, they back up from their commission. So, we need, now we share a lot of people about Atomy surround that center para po yung makuha natin yung rent ng ating center para hindi mag-close. Actually, center is a great help to us to meet the needs of Atomians. Do you agree? Yes. So accumulation is every first half of the month or second half of the month. Okay. So next is general commission. So 44% of entire sales PB will be distributed between qualified members every week according to the rates. So if you have that 10,000 personal PB already, and then you have left and right, maa-accumulate na yan, and then doon nila i-base yung mga commission ninyo. Okay. So there is a cut-off here. General commission cut-off. So for example, you have that commission on July 4 until July 10, and then you will expected na makukuha ninyo yung payout every Tuesday of the following week. So 17, July 17. Ayan. So, ang Atomy is binary. System po siya, left and right. Do you want na octopus po yung Atomy? Na maraming paa. Do you like that? Of course, we don't like kasi nakakapagod yan. So, it is 2 groups only. And then this is the PB accumulation. So, yung 10,000 personal PB mo and then you shared. Nagmarites ka about Atomy. Of course, the products are very good quality and talagang marami siyang benefits. Nakakatulong pa actually if you share to others. And then you will have that 10,000 personal PB and your group PB is 300,000 in your left and right 300,000. Ano ang makukuha ninyo or ano ang ibibigay ng company? Approximately 800 peso. What if every day yan? So 800 times 31 days. How much? Sino ang magaling dito ng mathematician? Okay, you want more kasi walang salita, walang imik. How about you have that personal PB 300,000. So you are already an agent. And then yung group PBs naman ninyo sa left and right, meron namang nagbanggaan na 300,000. So ang ibibigay sa inyo ng company is approximately 2,400. Less tax na, 2,200. Okay. So, yan. So, how about times 31? So, how much? So, every Tuesday is happy. Okay. So, how about 700,000 already? So, special agent. And then, you have that accumulation of group, 700,000 in your left, 700,000 in your right. So, you will receive approximately 5,000. Okay. Sino yung nakatry? I know, the Sharon Rose Masters here and others too. Okay. So, dapat masaya tayo dito because this is reward if we will work hard here in Atomy. Okay, huwag kayong malungkot. Okay. How about you already have that personal PB 2.4 million. Okay. And then, this company is global naman, So, you have consumers at Canada, USA, and other countries na meron si Atomy. And they are also consuming and they are sharing Atomy to others. So, nagkaroon ka ng 50 million in your left group and 50 million in your right group. So, how much you will get? Approximately 60,000 pesos. Wow. So you can help the others kahit na magpautang ka araw-araw. Tama? Okay. So, how about the mastership bonus? Yan ay general commission pa lang. How about the mastership bonus? So, 20% of entire sales PB will be distributed according to mastership. Okay. So, parang andito tayo na nag-aaral sa Atomy. So, grade 1 is Sales Master. Grade 2, Diamond Master until grade 7, Imperial Master. If you are agent, kindergarten. If you are not, daycare. Pero hindi natin dapat na palagi tayong grade 1 or kindergarten. So, you must be at grade 7, Imperial Master. So, who wants to be Imperial Master here? Everyone should be. Okay. So, sabi dyan, 20% of entire sales PB will be distributed according to mastership. So, nakikita ninyo talagang very fair yung pag-distribute Yung sales master, 10% dahil maraming maghati-hati dyan. And Imperial Master. But, if you will see, parang ang liit nun sa Imperial Master. But, malaki pa rin yung 0.3% na makukuha ng Imperial Master. So we will see that later. So this is the Center Commission and Mastership Bonus Cut-Off. So if you accumulated, period is from 1st to 15, ayan, 22, dyan mo makukuha yung Center's Commission or your Mastership Bonus. Pero kapag sa second half naman, sa 7. Payout will be every 7 of the following month. Okay. So, sales master. So, how you will become a sales master? So, you need to have 2.5 million in your left, 2.5 million in your right. That is group, actually. Group purchase, not your own. Okay. But you must be a special agent which have 700,000 PB. Pero ang kagandahan dito kasi talagang malaki yung puso ng ating chairman, meron siyang dinagdag na semi-sales master. Okay, so ganito ang gawin ninyo. If you want to be sales master, you must have that one semi-sales master in your right, in your left. And you will become sales master. O, di ba masaya? Kasi sales master ka na, semi-sales master pa yung mga partners ninyo. Dapat masaya kayo. Okay. So, what is the incentives of being sales master? Meron ka ng himuhim, the fame set, and evening care set. Kaya lalong gaganda at healthy pa ang ating mga sales master. How about Diamond Master? So, Diamond Master, you help your semi-sales master to be sales master. So, dapat dalawa, magsabay-sabay. So, it should be first half or second half of the month kayo magcha-challenge. And if you will pass that challenge, you will become Diamond Master. And you will receive a laptop, himuhim, the fame set, and evening care set. Ayan. So, malaking tulong yung laptop, especially when you will go around and show or explain to your partners. Okay, how about Sharon Rose Master? Mas gusto ninyo? Mas malaki? Okay, Sharon Rose Master, yung sales master niyo, you help to be Diamond Master. Okay, so you have 2 Diamond Master in your both leg, so you will become Sharon Rose Master. So kanina, product incentives. Ngayon, meron ng cash award. Wow, so 80,000 and you have 2 tickets. Plane tickets, travel tickets yan to go to Jeju Island. So do you like that one? Kung hindi naniniwala yung asawa ninyo, isama ninyo. Para maniwala na siya. Okay. So, and Star Master. So we have the first Filipina Star Master. And she is an inspiration unto us. That if she can, we can also. Tama? Yes. So, Star Master, you need to help your Sharon Rose Master, Diamond Master to be Sharon Rose Master. Yan yung Star Master. So, you have a cash bonus or awards, 400,000, and then travel tickets 4 already. 4 na. So, kaninang Sharon Rose Master, 2 lang. Pero ngayon, 4 na. So, kung hindi mo sinama yung mga anak mo, isasama mo na when you are Star Master already. Pero kapag wala kang boyfriend or girlfriend, maghanap ka ng boyfriends at girlfriends na isama mo. Okay. So you have, actually, iba pa yung General Commission dyan. Okay, so that is the Star Master. How about Royal Master? So Royal Master we have, of course, here at Baguio Cap. Meron po si Ma'am Claire. And of course, you need to have the Star Master in your both left and right leg. So dalawa po, na Star Master, dalawa sa right leg ninyo. Okay, so tumataginting na cash award na 2. Kindly pakibasa, 2 pesos. Yan. Do you want that? 2 million? Yes. So let's work hard here in Atomy. So meron pang plain tickets na 4 ulit. And then, meron pang ibibigay si company na 80,000 sa inyong debit card. And of course, car rental fee, which is worth 40,000. Are you excited? Yes, of course. So how about Crown Master? So you need to have a 2 Royal Master in your left and right. So ano ang makukuha ninyo? 12 million. So kanina 2 million, but now 12 million pesos. So palaki ng palaki. Tama? Okay. So you will have also that 4 travel tickets, and then the company will give you luxury car, which is worth 2 million plus. And you have that 200,000 in your debit card. Okay. So you must be excited to this, to achieve this mastership. How about Imperial Master? Dito na yung graduation natin. Ano? Okay. So you need to have 2 Crown Master in your both leg. So ano ang makukuha ninyo? 40 million na cash award. So saan ninyo ilalagay yan? If you are the Imperial Master, saan? Kung hindi niyo alam, just give me. Okay. And then they will give you again the plane tickets, and then the full size na brand new car worth 3 million, and meron ka pang sariling office, and of course, suswelduhan ng company ang secretary at yung driver mo. And then 400,000 na nasa debit card. Okay. So ganito po 'yon. Oh. Ganito yung mangyayari sa atin. So you should imagine that you will be Imperial Master. Okay? To get this award. Okay? So there are a lot of Imperial Masters. So there is a proof. Hindi po ito it's just haka-haka lang, but there are proofs, evidence that there are a lot of Imperial Master already. So before I will end, it says in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who is strengthened me. And a man diligent in his business shall stand before kings. It says in Proverbs 22:29. So we should be successful here in Atomy. So thank you so much for listening.